To fix that annoying toilet singing noise after you flush, focus on the fill valve inside the tank because that's usually where the problem hides. So, here's the lowdown on sorting it out without needing a plumber right away. First, check your water pressure with a gauge. If it's under 75 pounds per square inch, the fill valve might be struggling to keep up. Grab a 400A fill valve from your local hardware store because it fits most setups and is pretty reliable. When you get it, just swap out the old one by turning off the water supply, flushing the toilet to empty the tank, and then removing the old valve. Make sure to clean the tank's bottom before putting in the new fill valve so no debris messes up the seal. Tighten everything by hand, no need to go crazy with tools or you might cause leaks. After that, turn the water back on slowly and listen for any weird noises or leaks around the valve. If it still sings, sometimes adjusting the fill tube inside the tank helps. It should be above the overflow tube but not pushed too far in. Lastly, test flush a few times to make sure everything sounds normal and works smoothly. One of the biggest issues with toilet fill valves is ignoring water pressure. It's a simple check that can save you time and money because low pressure means your valve can't do its job right. Another common mistake is not cleaning out the tank before installing a new valve. Leftover gunk can cause leaks or weird noises that make you think something else is wrong. The third thing people often miss is how they install the fill tube. If it's too deep or not connected properly, it can cause that singing sound or even make your toilet run constantly. Fix these by checking pressure first, cleaning well during replacement, and making sure the fill tube is positioned just right above the overflow tube. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to call for repairs or upgrades. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for work, making it easier for both sides to get things done right and on time.